In this video, I'm going to be telling y'all how much I have spent on my G8 so far, which is a video that I kind of dread doing because I don't want to know. I don't feel like I spent a lot, but at the same time, I feel like once I start adding up these mods and stuff that I do have, just a little bit of that I do have is going to add up to a good chunk of change. Do the little intro and then we'll be right back. Alright, y'all, so as you can see, like I said, I'm in the Durango. We about to switch. The Durango was started off as it was supposed to be my daily driver, the Durango, but it ended up turning into, well, it's supposed to be my work truck dash daily driver. And then of course my fiance, she got pregnant, and then from there I started letting her use the G8, and then we use the G8 for everything because the Durango doesn't have air and it has a couple of problems. Like, I'm leaking power steering fluid like there's no tomorrow. So the plan was to go and get a tire, or get this tire patch, because I've been having a flat tire, the same tire that they messed up in the other video that I had did about when they messed up the lug nut on my damn truck. But the plan was to go get that tire patched again, or see if it's even patchable, or just but I don't have no power. The power steering is also leaking, so the truck doesn't have any power steering fluid in it. It has just a little bit. So what I'm gonna do is just go take my G8. I don't want to take the G8 because the G8 is clean, but I'm gonna take my G8, go do what I gotta do, go get some power steering fluid, go pick up some stuff from Walmart, then come back, drop that off, and go ahead and bring this, go get the tire patch, and then from there I will make the video in between and all that stuff. So okay, is it dead? Alright, y'all, so I don't know what just happened with that. I don't know with the remote start. That was weird, but this car do got a bunch of miles on it, so I really need to go get another cash car so I can have a real daily. So like I said, today we're going to talk about all the mods that I'm going to calculate, all the mods that I have done to the G8 so far, and how much it cost me so far, how much I'm into it so far. So I just got a couple of areas and stuff I need to go and run, and then put my list together on my phone, and then I'm going to be right back. We outside, me and my girl, me and Ma. If y'all new to the channel, that's my daughter, Ella. So I'm gonna go over everything that's on the car, and how much everything costs, and how much she's over there snacking on the popsicle. Alright, so surprisingly, when I was going over the list and stuff, it wasn't really that bad. You want to be in the video too? Yeah. Yeah. So it wasn't really that bad. So I got a whole list on my phone that I'm gonna bring up. Okay, you talkative today? Yeah. What's that? Alright, so we're gonna start with what's not on the car, which is obviously the cam. So the cam's not on the car. So the cam was about the cam was 400 bucks. The only things I got done is headers, which is the Pypes headers, and then the vararam air intake. So the Pypes headers was 400 and the vararam air intake was 320 or 370. Let me make sure. So 320. This is going in my video. Come on. Hi, so Alright, so I got the CAMARO rims, which I got these used, so they was like 120. I think I paid 120 for it. Alright, so I got my list right here. So these taillights are like 315, 320-ish. I forgot how much I paid for them. It was about 300. And then as far as like the wrap, I'm not really gonna count the wrap because I didn't pay full price for this wrap anyway. The wrap can go for most wrap shops are charged anyway from $2,500 to $3,000 just for a color change. So I didn't pay nearly that. So I'm not gonna include the wrap on the price because I mean, like I said, I didn't pay nearly that. The only thing left is, so we got the rear diff. I did a video on that, which y'all can't see that, the rear diff. So the rear diff was about 440 bucks. These exhaust tips that I got were almost $100. And then I also have the GXP rear diffuser, which was about 200 bucks. So we gonna go over the list one more time. Really do, if you really kind of look at everything I got, I really don't have as much as what other people pretty much do. All I have so far is headers, which is 400, cold air intake, which is 320, the Spectre headlights, which are 270. The tail lights was the currently ones are the Maverick Man Carbon or something like that. Those are 320, and then the ones I had on before were 180. So those are LEDs. I actually sold that to somebody, one of the guys that subscribed to my channel. So you can include both of them in the cost of the car. The Camaro rims I got for a really good deal, 120 bucks. I got from Louisiana. The front splitters, the G8 only splitter, which is 150. And then again, y'all, this is just me rounding it off. This is not exact numbers. This is me just rounding it off to whatever's near. The GXP bumper I paid about 200 bucks for. The exhaust tips I paid about $100 for. Those are 4-inch exhaust tips. And then the rear diff I paid 440 bucks for. And the fog lights I have on the front I paid 60 bucks for. And then I have a cam. So the cam is not even installed, obviously. So the cam is gonna get installed after I hit 1,000 subscribers. Once I hit 1,000 subscribers, we're gonna go ahead and get the cam installed and all that stuff. So make sure y'all subscribe. The cam was 400 bucks, and the cam comes from Cam Motion. So altogether, when I did the math, I spent close to $3,000 in appearance mods and performance mods. So, and then that's not even, if you want to include the tune, I paid 400 bucks for a tune, and then I got it retuned one time, and I think I paid 100 bucks. So you can add $500. And really, I wouldn't count the retune. So just say I paid $400 to get a tune. So that's about 34, and then I paid about, I want to say 300 bucks to get the MVPI 2. That was about 300 bucks. So if you want to count that, we about 4-7, we about 3,700. So we about 3,700, and just in little stuff, I don't have like big major things done. The front splitter I want to change or fix it, and the headlights. So if anybody wants to buy those headlights, let me know, because I do have a set of headlights that I want to get. It's just the halos. I don't want those headlights anymore. I do eventually want to change it, but I can't justify changing it unless I sell these first. So if you local and you want to buy those headlights, just hit me up, and I'll sell those headlights for like 150 bucks. If you local, 150 bucks, they're yours. That way I can go and buy the headlights that I want to buy. Other than that, that's pretty much it mod wise. So I'm about to head to Sonic to go get some slushies, and then we gonna kind of talk about, I'm gonna tell y'all what I kind of want to get next. Alright y'all, so what I got planned, obviously y'all probably done heard me say a couple of times, I am planning to get the wheels, the Camaro rims redone, and so they're gonna get redone, they're gonna get fixed, and they're gonna get painted and stuff. Now the color, I already got the color on the way, so that's gonna be a separate video. But I already got the color on the way, and I already know like a lot of people are not going to like the color that I chose. It's not basic color. I'm gonna tell y'all, it's not black, and I thought about doing black, and I kept going back and forth to doing black, but then I'm like, man, black white to me on this car would be too basic, and I feel like I like the CAMARO rims, but I really don't like the CAMARO rims painted. And the only other color that I like them in is black. But at the same time, I also felt like this car, like with the wrap that I got on it, that it needs some wheels, like that's gonna make it pop. So I chose a color. It's a pretty nice color, and I believe it's a very slept on color. I've seen somebody else with it, not with the CAMARO rims, but we gonna see how I like it. Not really sure, but like I said, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Once I get to 1,000 subscribers, we're gonna be camming the car and stuff, and that's gonna be its own little series. I may have to get another car, so we're gonna see. I'll see y'all in the next video. Remember to hit the like, maybe hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, comment down below. Let me know how much do you have in your build right now. I only have about 3,500 in mine, which honestly isn't much compared to other people. So thank y'all for watching. I'll see y'all in another video.